and welcome to my channel. My name's Natasha, and don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, then please hit the subscribe button. Today I'm going to tell you the truth, the whole truth and nothing but the truth about The Body Shop. Are you ready? Now, I would not usually do this type of thing on my channel. I have sign language lessons, magic lessons, how to concentrate, and lots of magic tricks on my channel, so check them out. I am obsessed with The Body Shop at the moment, and there are lots of groups going around on Facebook, different Body Shop groups inviting us. So I thought I'd give you the truth about it. Is it worth it? Do we want to buy these products, and are they good? Well, let's check it out. Here I have lots of surprises. I'm very excited to open this. It's like Christmas on my birthday. It's very exciting. So, shall we open it? Let's see what we've got inside the box. These come in very handy. Careful. Don't need that. Can go. Oh. This is cute, of course. The Body Shop, I am forever against animal testing. That is a fantastic thing about The Body Shop. They do not test on animals. So, big 10 out of 10 for that one. Guys, we've got so much in here. Ooh, chamomile gentle eye makeup remover. Now, I've used this before. Good for sensitive skin, that's fab. Vitamin E hydrating toner. Ooh, the Banana Body Shop. Oh, conditioner. We got the cream cleanser. I love this. That's perfect. Ooh, and then we have a banana bath blend. Pop that in your bath and you'll have some fun. We've got so many goodies in here. We also have the Body Shop Chinese ginseng and rice. I hope I'm saying that right. Ginseng and rice. I think so. And it's a polishing mask. Love this one. These are two of my favorites. Here we have the purifying glow mask, Himalayan charcoal. Very good. They're the ones that I use all the time. Ooh, aloe calm sheet mask. That's gonna be relaxing, isn't it? Pop that on your face, you're gonna be refreshed, do a bit of yoga, pop your candles on. That is gonna be zen. Ladies and gentlemen, this is zen. Just in a little packet right there. Have yourself some zen. Ooh, The Body Shop does makeup. If you didn't know that already, The Body Shop does do makeup. And here's a little cute eyeshadow palette. Yes, we've got some, I would say some orangey browns there. And then you've got your cream for the tops of your lids. Oh, and a bit pinky and gold. Love that. Oh, we have another charcoal mask. Bigger. This one is huge. 75 mils. Now you're not gonna run out of this. This is gonna last you a long time. Oh, we got some mascara. Lash Hero Fiber Extension Mascara. We will talk about that in a little while. The Body Shop Hemp Hardworking Hand Protector. Now this is an essential product at the moment because we are washing our hands. We are singing happy birthday. So I feel like this is essential for those dry hands. I know I'm definitely in need of this. Yes! Carrot Cream Nature Rich Daily Moisturizer. I live and swear by this. It's the moisturizer for me. It works. The Body Shop Rose Dewy Glow. Oh, rose, pretty. Exfoliating gel body scrub. We'll give this a little go in a moment and we'll let you know. Oh yeah. We'll talk about that in a bit. I mean, essential strawberry body butter. Yes, yes, yes. It smells like Calpol. That just reminds me of my childhood, all in a little tiny tub. Some fresh nude tinted beauty balm. Very nice. This is nice and light for one of those days where you want to look au naturel. Oh, nice. Japanese cherry blossom. Oh, stop. Oh yeah, I'm just wafting that smell. Can you smell that? Probably not. Ooh, Insta Blur Primer. Yeah, I'm gonna leave a little review on this one because I'm a massive fan of this. So we'll talk about that in a little while. The Body Shop Vitamin E Cream. That is moisturizing, plumps up your skin, makes you feel fresh. That is good. Drops of Youth. I am still yet to try this out. I've heard good things and nothing but good things. So we'll talk about that soon. Okay, are essential. You know, it's coconut, it's gonna be good. It's good. I could just eat all of this. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it looks like we have got through our big box from the Body Shop. And of course, I'm going to tell you, yes, you sitting at home on your laptop, on your computer, the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth about the Body Shop. So stick around and I'm going to review some of these products just for you. I have left a little link below to my sister's Facebook group. It's Kellyanne's Beauty Essentials and she does the Body Shop on there. Now I would say just join and you are in the chance of doing raffles. So you can win these products for like £1 or 50 pence, or you can just win them. So even if you don't want to buy anything, then just join because you've got a good chance of winning some cool things. We have a little catalogue here as well, so give me a little message below. If you just want one, if you want to have a flick through and have a little looky, then yeah, give me a little message. Can I just say, how crazy is my hair today? So this is Banana Bath Blend. Now, let's just give it a go, shall we? I've got a little towel here, so it's all good. It's not going to go too wrong. So that's just a little... Oh, it is so good, guys. I did not think I was going to like banana. I love banana bread, I love bananas, but I really don't like the smell of a banana when I'm eating it. But this is so much sweeter and so much fresher, if that makes sense. Like, I've just put a tiny little drop in there and I can smell it. It fills the room. It makes your bathroom smell good as well. So not just the bath, not just you, it makes your bathroom smell really nice. Now with this, it is a banana bath blend. It's hydrating as well, so it's really good for dry skin. It's very moisturising, but it's not very bubbly. So when I put this in my bath, I expected some bubbles because I love bubbles. But this is more of just hydrating, smells good, and it's really smooth. But yeah, so don't expect bubbles. I like to treat myself to a nice shampoo and conditioner, and this is the one for me. I washed my hair last night. Now I wash my hair just once a week. Ew. Yeah, I don't get really greasy hair, just wash it once a week, and then when it gets to that time, I'm good to go, good to wash. The shampoo isn't very foamy, okay? So it's not a real foamy shampoo, and I do like that, but this ain't foamy, no. But when you put it on, I don't use much because I like to make my shampoo and conditioner last, and I only wash my hair once a week, so you know, my shampoo and conditioner lasts for months. You can feel the moisture going on your hair, it's real good, but you don't get that foamy effect that I do like. I do like a foamy effect, but it smells really good. £7. £7 for that, and this will last me months. You might wash your hair more times, so it might not last you as long. This, ladies and gentlemen, peeps, this is what I want to talk about. The conditioner, it is so good. The shampoo, not as foamy as I would have liked. The conditioner though, pop that in your hand, pop that straight in your hair, and as soon as the conditioner hits your hair, you are feeling silky smooth. That moisturizes so well. Love this, and of course leave it in for as long as you like. I only had it in for about 2 minutes, and then I dried my hair, and my hair is seriously so smooth and soft afterwards. 100,000% recommend the banana. It's the banana conditioner. Let's try the body scrub. I've not tried this yet. This is the Body Shop British Rose Exfoliating Body Scrub. Okay, this is rose, and rose is so good. I didn't think I would like rose at the beginning, but no, I am loving it. What is this? What is this on my top? So this is the scrub. Oh, it's just so perfumery. Perfumery, is that a word? Anyways, it smells really good. If you do not believe me, then try it out. It looks so glittery. I've not tried this before. Probably should have wet my arm first. Bear with. Ooh, very nice. I can feel that. I've got sensitive skin, so I'm a bit aware of body scrubs. I don't usually use a body scrub, but this is actually gentle, but I can feel it working, but it's gentle. It doesn't hurt. It's not sore. It just smells so good. I smell like a lady. Does that make sense? Yeah, I'm smelling like flowers. This is good. This is real good. Oh, wow. Yeah, that really has taken my dead skin. Give that a little rub like so. Yeah, that is good. I would totally recommend that. Now that is £16, but you get so much in there. I imagine if you get one of these, then you're not going to need to order another one of these for a long, long time. That is value for money, I would say. And that lasts me for long time.